Right, so taking a look at our first example using factorization. So to simplify by factorization, the basic idea is we factorize an expression either on the top, bottom, or both the top and the bottom to gain a common factor, which can therefore be eliminated because a common factor that's on the top and the bottom can just be eliminated. Now, if you need help with factorization, make sure to look at the factorization topic, because this is going to be more on how we actually use factorization in the context of algebraic fractions. So, taking a look at this first one. First of all, as I said, we need to focus, first of all, on factorizing. So, factorize the top and the bottom. So, looking at these expressions, hopefully you can realize that these can be factorized. So, let's take a look at how we do that. So, what common factor can we get from 3e squared add 12e? Because we can't try and factorize this trinomial, because it's not a trinomial, it's only binomial, which means it's just got two terms. So, what common factor do we have? Well, we have a common factor of 3e. So, let's write that on the outside, and then on the inside, we need e, because 3e times by e is 3e squared, and then add 4. And then on the bottom here, let's take a look. 5e squared add 20e. What's the common factor here? Oh, 5e, which means e goes here and then add 4. And then now, because we have these brackets which are in common and they're being multiplied, they're not being added to anything, we can now cancel these. So cancelling these would leave us with 3e over 5e. And then hopefully you realize here as well, it's just 3e over 5e. There's nothing being added to it, which means we can simplify even further, cancel the e's to just leave us with 3 over 5. And then now we can see how just in a few steps we have gone from this complicated expression, complicated algebraic fraction, down to just 3 over 5e just by factoring it a bit. So that's our first and probably the most common way of simplifying algebraic expressions. But let's go ahead now and look at our next technique. And by the way, this is will be the same kind of concept with every factorization. You look at how you can factorize it, you factorize it, realize there's a common factor, and simplify. It's as easy as that. So let's go ahead and take a look at multiplication now.